Hey guys, so today's video is in partnership with Ashimary, right? Yeah. So let me show you what is inside this pack. It has this cute little headband from the USA, and it has the two wig caps. It has the lashes, and it has this clip. So yeah, and let me show you guys the hair. One thing about this hair color, ciao. Wait. Okay, so this is the wig. This is the wig color, the color of the wig, right? You can see it has the bluish, I don't know this color. It has the reddish, it has blonde and black, but a bit of orange, I think. Yeah. So yeah, let me just install this here. It is a closure wig, as you guys can see, and the closure is, let me see, it's a HD lace. Okay, so let me just install this here, and I think this is 180 if I'm not mistaken. This is 180 or 150 intensity. Yeah, and also I think the wig cap is medium. Let me just install this here for you guys. So firstly, I'm gonna take my foundation, which is my skin tone, and I am going to apply this on the lace so that the lace will match my skin tone. I'm going to put the hair on my head so that I can cut the excess lace on my front. When cutting the lace, I usually go in zigzag using my small scissors so that it actually gives me a natural finish. I'm gonna go in with this extreme hold from Max Melt. I am going to link everything down on my description box. I'm gonna go in with 2 layers of this glue, and yeah, before you apply your hair, you must make sure that the glue is actually clear. That's why I'm going in with a hairdryer. And I know this is something that I've always told you guys to do, is that you go in with your comb in between your hair on your lace so that the lace is going to melt perfectly. If you want your hair to be well moisturized and silk, you can go in with a moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer. I use this because this is the one that I have, and you go in with your hair dryer, and this is going to give you a perfect finish when you've applied your hair serum. And you must always make sure that your hair dryer is on high when doing this process. I'm going to section my hair, and I'm going to go in with this heat protector from Tresemme, and then I'm going to start and apply some heat on my head or just straighten the hair. Please note that it is very important to always use a heat protector when you're going to use high heat on your hair, because you may never know, your hair might be strong for the heat, your hair might not be strong for the heat, so you must always be on the safe side and use a heat protector. If you need information about this hair, you can go to my description box. Everything is linked on my description box. Yeah, one thing I like about this hair is that it is so silk and the quality is amazing, and the shading I got was just minimal shading. So yeah, and I think I will be bringing back the black on this hair, because this hair is actually black and the colors were added on this wig, just so you know, to get that touch. So I will be dyeing this hair back to black, and I will show you guys when it's black. Just that I had to do this video for you guys so that you can see the actual hair and the actual color of the hair, but when time goes by I can change the color of the hair and make it all black. But I still do like the color. Honestly, I really like the color. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I will really appreciate that so much. Can you guys see the color of this hair? Can you guys see the colors? The colors, you guys. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below anything that you would like to comment. I will see you guys on my next video, and also when I reach 10K, I am definitely doing a huge giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you Ashimary for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.